Hello students, today we are going to solve second numerical of transition curve. Question is given as what is the minimum length of transition curve for plain and rolling terrain for design speed of 80 km per hour in horizontal curve of 240 meter radius. Now for plain and rolling terrain, we know that the length of transition curve will be equals to 2.7 v square upon r. Now the value of v is given as 80 km per hour, so it will be equals to 80 square upon the value of radius is given as 240 meter. On solving this, we will get the value of length of transition curve as 72 meter. That will be the value of length of transition curve. That is all about this numerical. Thank you students.